Good afternoon, viewers. Today is what? Midweek. Midweek on the 20th of July. And still you are on what? Lotto Cash Out channel. Today I have these wonderful numbers I want us to look at. This banker, this too sure, this too sure, and this too sure. In fact, this too sure should play. And this one as well should play. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Let's check this banker first. This banker, let's check it first. This banker is set in what? 2020 in machine. Okay, in machine, let's take it from here. In machine, you see event number 873. This event number 873, you take it 62 play with what? 60, 62. The following week you see 44. The following week you see 80. So when the 80 play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 80 will jump and play with what? 67. So when the 80 play with 67, following week 44. So when the 44 play, following week we are on here. We are here. So I want this 60 in machine to play. This is machine and this is winning, but we are taking this one as a winning and this one as a machine. So I want this 60 to play. This 44 should key. Why? I will show you this plan. Watch it very carefully. Okay, let's take it from the down here. Let's take it this way. 84 play with what? 36. This is 36. 84, 36 play. Following week what? You see 44. So when the 44 play, the 44 should key. Okay, let's go to the confirmation. First, it starts from 2022. You see event 967. You will see 62 play with what? 60. Following week, let 44 come. 44, after 44, 80. So when the 80 play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let the 80 jump and what? Play with 67. So when the 67 play, what? Then you have your 44. So this your 44 should do what? Key, as I was saying. And at the same time, you take it like this: 34 lamping 44. You see 36 lapping 44. Over here you see 36 lapping 44. So the 36 move with what? 84. So over here the 36 move with 84. So after the 84 you see your 44. Then your 44 should key. So over here 36, 84. 36 lapping 84 and 44 should key 60. And at the same time, let's move it from here to the top. It's the same thing. You will see what? 44 play. It starts from 44. 44 play. Following week, you see 80. Then after 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 80 jump. So when the 80 jump, you see what? 44. So when this 44 play, then you have what? 60. So this 44 should key 60. So the same thing. You see what? Your 44. When the 44 play, you see 80. 80 from 81, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see what? 80. Again, the 80 jump. Then you see 44. After the 44, then you see 60. So that's why we have this banker as 60. So this 60 is a live banker to drop. Okay, let's move to single 127. This single 127, I've seen this plan in 2017 entry 2018. Okay, the plan starts from 2017, event number 728. So you see 14 play. 14 following week 89.51. So this 89.51 play following week single 133 and play 85 in machine. So when the 85 play, counting weeks from the 85, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you see what? 44.72. 44.72. So when the 44.72 play, 1, 2, 3, you see what? 72 in machine. This place is a machine, but we are using here as winning, and this place over the winning as machine. So the 3 weeks down, then you see 34. So after that, counting is from the 34, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down, you see what? 89. This is your 89 jump machine, 89. Then you see what? Single one at center winning. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. You see what? 23 with 63 in machine. 23 under the what? Single one, and then 63 in machine. So from the 23, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you meet what? Your 44 with each shadow. 44.11. So after the 44.11 play, jump the single one as your free banker, and the 77 countries should land with the single one. So you have single one 72 as the first plan. Okay, let's move to the current plan. So the current started at where? Event number 951. So this 951, you see what? 14. This is machine. You see 14 in machine. Then following week you see 51.89 as it was done here. 14, 89, 51. So your 14 land, and then 89.51. The following week you see what? Single 133. So when the single 133 play to save 85 in what? Winning. 85. Let's count from the 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you meet what? 44.27. Over here it was 44.72, and over here it was 44.27. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then you see what? Your 72 in machine. After the 72, 1, 2, 3, you meet what? Your 34. So from the 34, 9 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you meet what? Your 89, jumping from where the 51.89 play. So your 89 jump. So after the 89, on the same line winning, then you see what? Single one at center. Then 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then you meet what? Your 23 at center, and then what? 63 in machine. So 21, 1, 2, 3, 60, 23, and then 63. So 23, 63 in machine. So 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you meet what? Your 11.44 number and its shadow. 11.44. So when this number play, what do you have to do? Jump your single one as a free banker, and then what? Your 27. Your 27 as what? Your too short. So in all you have single one 27. But please, this number, since it used 72 at the first place, please, when you are playing this too short, you can turn this number too. You can turn this number. You can turn this 72 to 27 to 72. You can turn it. So you can play it single one 27 and then single one 72. Okay. Now let's move to this plan. 8033. This plan, 8033 plan. Okay, 8033 plan set in 2021. So in 2021, you come to event number 923. So in this 923, you come to machine. You see what? 29. 3 weeks down, 29, repeat, jump. So when this 29 play on the same line, you see 44 in winning. So this 44, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you meet what? 80. Then after the 80, then you meet 1744. So when this 1744 play, the following week, what happened? Your 80 jump and key and counter, and this 72 also counter. So please perm this event first before we move forward. Perm this event. Don't forget to perm this event. This event number 932 is very good. Perm it. Okay, the reason why I'm picking this too short from this event is that, let's take it from here. Let's say this is the 80 that play first. So 80. After the 80, then you see 4417. So after this 4417, the 80 jump, and the key was in what? Machine. So you could see how the plan is moving. So that's why I pick 80 and then 33. So that is the 8033 plan. Okay, let's move to the main plan of the day, 2185. This plan is too long, but I'll cut it very short. So let me start this plan from, it was set in 2018 up to 2017 to 2018. So I'll just cut it short. So let's see. Let's watch this event. Event number 760. 760, you see what? 30 in winning. When you see 30 in winning, machine 4481, close. After the 4481, then you meet what? 14. So when the 14 play 1, 2, 3, 4, you meet what? 20 in winning. 20 in winning. After this 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you meet what? 72. So when this 72 play, following week you meet what? 87, sorry. 87. So when this 87 play, center, you meet a certain number lapping 49, which is 33, lapping 49. So when this occur, from the 49 you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You meet what? Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. You meet 72 in machine. This 72 jump to machine. 72. Following week you meet what? 71. Then this 71 play with 74 at winning. So the following week you move to machine again. 29, you will see 29, 22. 29, 22. So when this 29, 22 play, following week you see 68 at first boss. This is 68 as first boss. So when this 68 play, following week it was repeats. This 68 repeats. And over here you see this 68 play with what? 66 in machine. And then the following week you meet 80 with 15 at winning. So when this 80 with 15 play, following week you meet what? 51 in machine. And then when this 51 play, following week you meet 61 at winning. And this 61 play, following week you meet 55 at machine again. So after this 55 you meet 67 at winning at center. 67 play at center. So when this 67 play, this 67 is the key. So when you play at center, go and do what? Jump the 33 that lamp the 49. Jump this 33 to what? Last boss in winning. So let's come to the current. Let's confirm it from the current. Okay, event number 2022, event number 950. This 950, you will see 30 play at winning, and then 81 44 play close in machine. Following week you see 14. So when this 14 play 1 2 3 4, you see what 20. So when you see this 20, counting it from the 21 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, then you meet what 72. So when you meet this 72, following week you meet 87, as it was done here, 72 87. So you meet this 72 87. After this 87, you meet what 44, lapping 49 at center. Over here they use 33 with 44 lapping. So over here 44 lapping what 49. So counting it from the 49, 1 2 3 4, then you meet what 72 at machine. 72, then you meet what 71 at machine. Following week, then this 71 play with what 74 in winning. Following week 29 22 at machine. So when this 29 22 play, following week you see what your 68 at first boss. So when this 68 play, the following week it was 10. Over here it repeats. So over here it 10 to 86. So in this 86 play, this 86 will play with 66 in machine. So this 68 repeat and play with 66 in what machine. So when this 66 play, 3 weeks down, 1 2 3, you see what 51. So when this 51 play, following week you meet what 61 at winning. When this 61 play, following week you meet what 55. So when this 55 play, now the key set 67 play at center. So when this 67 play at center, go and jump this 44 to first winning. So when this 67 play at center, go and jump this 33 at what last boss winning. Over here, go and jump this 44 at last boss winning. So when this 44 play, now we are here. So what happened? Let's say counting weeks from the 33, where the 33 play. This is event number 784. Sorry, 784. So this 784 minus of 75 weeks. Minus of 75 weeks. When you have calculator, you can calculate. So for me not to waste time, we arrive here. That's event 709. So this 709, you see what 31 play at second boss, and then 86 play at last boss. So when this 86 play, you see what 53 at machine. So when this 31 play, you see some numbers locking it. Difference of 10 numbers locking it. So you see 78, and then what 68. Then after that 58, 47. So these numbers also play some roles before they arrive to this setting, this packing. Okay, now over here we deduct 75 weeks from this when we get 709. So over here, this is event number, over here it was event number 784. So over here it was 799 what 74. So this 974, that means 200 weeks after this. So over here we did that what 70, another 75 weeks from from 974, then we get 899. When you have calculator, or if you can calculate it, you calculate it. So over here it was 899. So you see this, your 21 at second bus, and then 85 at last bus, and then it serve you 53 at in machine. And this 21 is being locked by difference of 10 numbers. This one they use 64, and then 1 2 3, you see 74. Over here it was 78 and then 68. So over here it was what, 64, 74, and after the 74 you see 58 47. Over here 58 47. So when that happens, you jump these two numbers after the 33 play, then you see your 31 86. So over here after the 44 play, then you see what, you go and jump your 21 and then 85 to chop lotto. So this is the two shot. The main two shots for the day is what, 21 85. But please, lotto is very trickish. Please perm this event, 31 86 87 and then 45 34. You can see this. At the other hand, you can see this 68 repeats. Over here it's 10 to 86, or let's say this 86, this 68, that 10 to what, 86, and then this 87 after the 33 you bring it. So over here you see what, this 86 at 10 to 86. So and then the 87 was here. So in the other hand you can use this number 68 86 and then what, 87. You can try this one too. You can try this one, small coins, maybe we can get something. So don't forget to perm this number, or you use this 21 85 to brush this event. It's very necessary. So this is all we have for the day. At the comment section I will do my long perm and the two short over there. So check the numbers from the comment section, how I arrange them. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.